If you have Whirlpool or Maytag top load washing machine and it's not starting at all, you most likely to have that problem. Just take a look underneath. You see the drain pump and the wire coming to the drain pump. It's actually broken. It's like somebody cut it with a razor, but it's not a razor, it's just bad copper wiring, because in COVID and after COVID, Whirlpool started to place pretty low quality components into the washing machine, and that's why it's happening. So what you're gonna need to do, you need to extend that wire so it will be looking just like that. You see there is an extension, and also I zip tied it to the drain pump so it will not be moving during the wash and spin cycle. And now we're good to go, and you can do the same.